Since the Perks family moved into this house in the late 1990s, millions of other people have moved to Florida, pushing our state population over the 22 million mark. With more families moving here every day, it's critical that we make life-saving upgrades like the Perks family. No one knows that better than meteorologist Elizabeth Hart, who spent 12 years covering deadly hurricanes and their trail of destruction. She joins us from Fort Myers Beach, just west of where Hurricane Ian made landfall.
Perfect beach weather here today, but crews continue to pick up the pieces of tens of thousands of homes and businesses strewn all around Southwest Florida. Ian was one of the strongest storms to ever strike our state. But our hurricane history goes back hundreds of years and is forever intertwined with the story of Florida. Back in 1715, a Spanish fleet of ships loaded with gold and silver left Cuba and sailed up Florida's east coast on the way back to Europe. While the crew was prepared for pirate attacks, they were completely caught off guard by the weather. And one by one, the ships went down in the powerful hurricane. A pivotal moment in our hurricane history came in the early 1970s when engineer Herbert Sapper and meteorologist Robert Simpson created their namesake wind scale that helps us understand the threat that hurricanes pose to our properties and our lives. A Category 1 or 2 storm can destroy older mobile homes and cause major damage to the roofs and siding of even well-constructed homes, while a Category 3 or higher can result in the roof lifting off, exterior walls failing, and in the most extreme cases, completely destroying wood frame homes. In just the past 5 years, 3 major hurricanes have hit Florida, killing hundreds and costing billions in damage. It isn't a matter of if another hurricane will hit our state, it's when. Making hurricane upgrades now can help protect your property and potentially save your life.